Russia has established 4 working groups to investigate US-controlled biological laboratories in Ukraine. A Pakistani media practitioner calls for an international probe into the biolabs.
I think this is the high time there should be an international probe into this, but the Americans have been operating parallelly, letting everybody know that they should not use these biological weapons, but at the same time, parallelly having set up such laboratories the world over. And what we have seen in the Ukraine, this is just a tip of the iceberg. There are similar projects going on elsewhere in the world, and this is the high time there should be an international probe.
Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said Saturday that Moscow has information that an array of biological laboratories engaging in developing bioweapons have been founded around Russia. A Russian parliamentary commission has started working on materials on the involvement of US President Joe Biden's son, Hunter Biden, in the project in Ukraine. The Russian Defense Ministry said the investment fund Rosemont Seneca, currently managed by Hunter Biden, funded the Pentagon's military biological program in Ukraine.